Paper 1, question 25. The equation of a curve is y equals f of x, where f of x equals x squared. Take away 8x plus 21. The exact part we used in part A of question 25 just a moment ago. The diagram shows a sketch of the graph, or part of a sketch of the graph of y equals f of x. So in English, that is the graph of y equals x squared, take away 8x plus 21. The minimum point of the curve is m, which they've labelled in the picture. Write down the coordinates of m. Now, going back to question A, which you did, completing the square, you get this value for A is 4 and this B is 5. And if I plug them back into the equation that you had, where they said in the form x take away A all squared plus B, that means that I can write this equation of this graph in the form x minus 4 all squared plus 5. Now, completing the square in general, you might wonder what's the point in it? What use has it got? Well, its primary use is for solving quadratic equations that do not cross the x-axis. So if you take a look at our lovely parabola here, it does not cross the x-axis, which makes it more difficult, well, in theory, makes it more difficult to find out where the turning point is, or the lowest point of a u parabola, or the highest point of an n parabola. Okay? Now, when you turn something into complete square form, the numbers that are contained here match up to your coordinates for your turning point. So in general, when you have x take away a squared plus b in complete the square form, leaving the takeaway behind, that takeaway is kind of part of the formula. Whatever a is, that gives you the x coordinate of the turning point. And including this plus, whatever b is, that gives you the y coordinate of the turning point. So from this, remembering the fact that I leave a negative here, I steal that 4. 4 is the x coordinate for our turning point. 5 here is the y coordinate for our turning point. So it just so happens, and there's a reason why there's only one mark for this, when you complete the square, you get the turning point, or you get within reach the turning point for your parabola. So in this case, 4, 5.